On today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to install this pressure pump, this pressure machine. This is the battery. It's 48 amps, 48 volts. And when you want to install it, you have to install it this way. Once it's been installed this way, it's good to go. Like this now. Now, when you want to put in this nozzle, mind you, this is aluminium, so it's not something you use hard object to tighten. You use your bare hand. When you stretch it this way, see this way, you just put it this way, you move it clockwise gently. It's installed.